guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Knowledge Hub in Analytics. Today I am back with another SQL LeetCode problems. Today we are going to solve easy level of difficulties such as 1179 reformat department table, queries quality and percentage 1211 and average selling price 1251. These three problems we are going to solve, and I request you all to please subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to it so that you will be notified of any future videos that I am going to upload. And I have created three playlists, one on Master Excel where I have posted all Excel related videos, Master SQL where you can see Master SQL Basic and Medium, Intermediate level and Advanced level, and all sorts of SQL LeetCode problems which I have posted earlier in my videos, and Master case studies. After covering LeetCode, I am going to post videos on data Lemur, and data Lemur after I may post videos on Stata Scratch, and after that I'm going to post videos on SQL problems which are asked in several kind of companies like MPL, White Hat, Cars24, Ola or maybe OLX, Analytical Data Labs, like that. So let's just start solving the problem. Reformat department table. So here we have a table called department with column name, ID, revenue and month. And here the reformat the table such that there is a department ID column and a revenue column for each month, like this. We want output in the following columns, following format ID, then Jan revenue, Feb revenue, March revenue till December revenue. So it's very easy. We can use a case when statement here. Okay, so we can use select, but you need to be careful whether you should use else statement or some case when also. Select ID, comma, you can use some case when month equals Jan, then revenue, else null, and as Jan revenue. Let me see if it is correct. Yes, it is correct, and I'm going to just copy this and paste it 11 times so that I can cover till December. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. I just need to change this to February, and this also to February. This one to March, MAR, and this also to March. This one to April, APR, and this also to April. This one to May, MAY, and this also to MAY revenue. This to June, JUN, and this also to JUN. Next, this one to July, JUL, and this also to JUL. Then August, AUG, this also to AUG. Then September, SCP, this also to September SCP. Then October, OCT, and this also to OCT. Then we have this one to November, NOV, and this also to November, NOV. And last we have December, DEC, and this also to December, DEC. Now next query is from which table? Department table. Department, group by ID, order by ID. We can want to run this query. Okay, something is wrong. We need to put comma here. Comma, again a comma, and This is not a comma. Accepted. So now our output is correct. Let me go to submit it. It's accepted. Now we're going to solve another problem, which is queries quality and percentage. This is also of easy level of difficulties. Here we have a table called queries with column name as query name, result, position and rating. Position column has a value from 1 to 500. Rating column has a value from 1 to 5. Query with a rating less than 3 is a poor query. We define query quality is as the average of the ratio between query rating and its position. We also define poor query percentage as the percentage of all queries with rating less than 3. Write a solution to find each query name, the quality and poor query percentage. Both quality and poor query percentage should be rounded to 2 decimal places. Query name, quality and poor query percentage. So we can select query name, comma, we need quality. Quality is average of the ratio between query rating and position. So we can select average, rating, to convert it into decimal we can give this 1 to 1.00 divided by position, and we want this in rounded to 2 decimal places. So we can write round of average, comma 2, this as quality. Then we have poor query percentage of all queries with rating less than 3. So we can write sum of case when rating less than 3, then 1, else 0, and this we can multiply it with 100 for percentage and 1.00 for decimal values, and we can divide this with count of star. And now since we want this rounded to 2 decimal places, we can write round of this, comma 2 as poor query percentage. Now we can write from which table we have queries table, where query name is not null, group by query name. Now let me just run this query. It is correct. Output in query name cat dog. Query quality is correct. Poor query percentage. You can submit this. Accepted. Now the next question and the last question is average selling price. We have prices column, prices table, product ID, start date, end date and price. Then we have units sold, product ID, its purchase date and units sold. Write a solution to find the average selling price for each product. Average price should be rounded to 2 decimal places. Product does not have any sold units. The average price is assumed to be 0. If the product does not have any sold units, that means if product sold units is null, the average selling price should be 0. That means we should use if null statement here. Output we need product ID and the average price. So we can select product ID from which table? Product prices table. So we can write p dot product ID, and we want average price. Okay, average price will be units into price divided by units. So we can write sum of price into units divided by sum of units we need to round this to 2 decimal places. Okay, and if it's null value, then we can write if null comma 0 from prices table as p left join units sold as u on p dot product ID equals to u dot product ID, and purchase date between start date and end date, group by 1. Let me run it. Wrong. Let's see what's the issue. Okay, we need to write it as average price. Now it should be correct. Let me submit this. Correct. So that's all for today's video. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed. Thank you and all the best.